Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can see suggestion free of subscription on your OnlyFans account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video. So to get free suggestion of subscription on your OnlyFans, you just need to make sure that your suggestion box is open up like I already did on my right hand side screen. Here you can see that suggestion and all the subscription you're shown are free. You can also flip them to next, and here you can see all of them are free as well. To do so, first of all, go on to your more and then go on to settings. After that, go on to privacy and safety, and now you just need to make sure that show subscription offer is enabled on your PC from your OnlyFans account. To do so, now you just need to enable this, and after you enable this, all the free subscription offers will be on your OnlyFans account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.